Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Google Meet. So there are two possible ways to do this. So you can just use the Google Meet app. And then you can just click on the new meeting and you'll find the schedule in Google Calendar option. You can just click on that, and then here you'll be directed to the even a page like this. You can just choose the time of the meeting. For example, I want to schedule for tomorrow, and then you can also add people into this meeting. For example, you want to add the audience or your partner, for example, like this, and then you can just click on done, and then here you'll see the Google Meets will be activated like this. And you can also add another description. You can also add attachment. Maybe you can add the material for the meeting, and you can also set the reminder whether you want to set the meeting or the scheduling before how many minutes you want to add the reminder. And you can also add a location, and when you're done you can just click on save. Okay, and then click on send to send the invitation. So the Google Meet schedule has been saved in your calendar. So that's the first way. You can just go to the Google Meets, and the second way, you can just directly go to the Google Calendar and then pick a date. So for example, I want to add 28. You can just click on the plus icon and click on event, and again you'll be directed to the event page like this. And you can just do the exact same step that I've shown you before. You can pick the time and also add people, and you can, if you want to, please remember that you need to click on add video conferencing to include the Google Meet. And then when you're done, just click on save. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can schedule a Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.